Hi guys! Today I'm going to be opening another two My Little Pony Sweets and Surprises eggs from Bon Bon Buddies. You can get these in Pound World. They've now been reduced to 50p each. So, see what we've got. I thought for a minute the best before date was the 1st of January this year, but that apparently was the date they left the factory. Actually, best before was 31st of July 19, so plenty of time. I thought that might be why they were cheap, but sadly I haven't got the money to collect any more of these, so these are probably going to be the last egg openings we're going to be seeing on here. So, anyway, let's see what we've got. As usual, a little packet of heart candy. So we've got a ring with a star on it, like a shooting star. I'll just say that. And our sticker is Pinkie Pie. So it's a new sticker. There's just so many little things to collect in here. Got a feeling the shooting star ring is the one that I had before. Ironically. So many cute things. So you've got 3 rings, 3 I think, they're like little picture frames, pencil toppers, necklaces, combs. I'm not too sure what the things down the bottom are. I thought they were nail files for a minute, but I doubt they are for kids. And stickers. There's 12 different stickers to collect, 3 of everything else. So there are actually 18 different novelties to collect and 12 stickers. I'm never going to collect the whole set now, but I do like them. And I think for 50p you can't get them. So, let's see what we've got now. Second egg. If I can get this open. I don't know how kids get these things open. Obviously they are far brainier than I am. Perhaps they're just born to be burglars or something. So I find it so hard to break into these things. Right, let's see what we've got. We've got another ring. Oh, it's Pinkie Pie ring. I thought it was going to be the same one again, but it's got Pinkie Pie's face on it. It's really hard to show it on the camera, but it has got Pinkie Pie's face. That's our candy. And we've got another Pinkie Pie sticker. That's a shame. Strangely, I just seem to get the same ring again and again and again. I don't know if Pound World has only got the rings or something. Maybe if other people have bought Bon Bon Buddy Sweets and Surprises eggs from Pound World, they could tell me if they've got anything other than rings in them. Because that would be really helpful. So I don't want to buy any more if I'm just going to end up with the same things again and again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little video, and I will speak to you all very soon. Bye!